check that out. This is the Art Gallery of Ontario. Again, I'm not gonna go inside, so just gonna show you where it is. Okay, so we had the Toronto sign. There's like a little concert going on. The sign is up there. Those pillars up there. Or the boat. Let's check it out. That was Toronto sign. Kind of a chaos, right? So right now, I'm trying to go back to the Lodge Street thing, see if I can find anything out there. And after that, we're gonna go to a tavern, Irish pub. All right, let's get there.